Welcome to my course Backend Testing or API Testing with Python. In this course, we'll be talking about how to use Python programming language to test APIs and to test backend web services. This is going to be a RESTful web services, but once you get the concept, there are other types of web services like SOAP web services, which are going to be very similar. But in this class, we will focus on REST. So basically we're going to learn how to use Python to do API testing. As you know, there are two different types of testing or two types of testers. There are testers that focus on front-end automation, which means using Selenium. Mainly there are other tools, but Selenium and OPM for mobile. And there is backend automation. Backend automation does not use Selenium. It just use pure programming languages to talk to the backend services, to make API calls and verify the information, talk to the database, such things. And in this course, you're going to get plenty of experience, plenty of practice with APIs. We're going to use real APIs. We're going to quickly build an e-commerce application, and we're going to use the API for that e-commerce, like create order, create user, create product, things like that. So you're going to get tons and tons of practice if you wish. I will just get you started, and I will discuss different methodologies, different systems, different ways of writing tests, and of course go through a bunch of test cases with you. After this course, you will be comfortable answering interview questions when it comes to backend testing, and that is a very common questions to ask. Even when you're interviewing for a front-end automation, time to time backend questions creep up. So this is a good thing for you. In addition to backend testing, the tools we use are real industry used popular tools. So it is great addition to your resume. You can definitely add those to your resume if you are a new tester. And if you are an experienced maybe manual tester or front-end tester, those tools are really cool to know. They would be useful to create your own projects. And of course, based on what you learn from here and even using the APIs that we're going to use, you can create projects and upload them to GitHub and use that on your resume. So what I mean by the tools is, as an example, what we're going to do is we're going to create a WordPress site. We're going to install MySQL. We're going to install web server, and it's one big package. And we're going to create an e-commerce site. So you're going to learn all of those on top of in addition to learning how to test APIs. So you get few things out of this course. It's totally worth it, and it's going to accelerate your automation greatly. So go ahead and check out I have some free videos that are I would call them previews, but those are like real videos, and I just posted few of them as free. So scroll down and check those out, and if you like it, go ahead and click that button and buy my course, enroll to the work, check it out. And remember, Udemy gives you 30 days, no questions asked, to get your money back. So you can always get your money back within 30 days. So enjoy. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me.